So this is a new status update for the PvP bots. As usual, I have made several improvements. Some of the things that you may not think of when you're programming it. For example, it is not coming to me. And why? This fence is here. You can't go past that because its box is too high. Like, it takes extra checks because if you do a basic check, okay, there's something to walk on, there's a block there and a block here to go through. So it knows that, but it knows it can go over it. And it actually got stuck on the fence before, which is now fixed too. Another thing that I have fixed from the maze is end rod below fence or some other just carpet really being there. Now it knows that it can go over it without a problem. But one of the larger changes that was a bit more challenging to code was basic parkour. The parkour course is over here. It's very basic, but it was a challenge because I first needed to look for places it could go, and then I need to somehow throw it over realistically like a player, because I'm not going to teleport it, that would be unrealistic, and I'm not going to make it glide because that would also be unrealistic. But I have been able to make it hop through all of those, so I hope it works first try. Yep. So far it has been working every time when the server isn't lagging. So that is a huge accomplishment. And it has some some applications to the maps that you have if you've been watching the previous logs, has already gone through. For example, through here, down here, and then all the way over here. It used to go all the way over here, then over here, then all the way over here just to get to here. But now it knows that it can go like this. It's much more convenient and realistic that way. There are some issues still. For example, water pillars. Let's wait for it to walk over here and you'll see. Because it doesn't realize that it has to go a little higher on here, so it just goes forward a little early and ends up sometimes falling down. So all the way down here and then all the way back up. It works sometimes, but not all the time. Yep, there we go. That's what the issue is. And it's very unrealistic in that it wants to go all the way over here. Like, there's no way it could possibly do that. So there's some issues, and another issue is it tries to go up here, but it can't. So needs some work, but I'm making a lot of progress, and I should have it done by the end of most things done by the end of the week. Yeah, I'm really excited to test this thing out publicly, hopefully without them realizing it's a bot. But for that to happen, I need to make it more realistic. Which means smoothing out, make its head more realistic, body movement more realistic. But I'm making progress, and that lagged. So thanks for watching.